Will EOS make me rich? Assuming I put resources into EOS at the present time, how rich can the altcoin make me in the following 5 or 10 years? Indeed, EOS can transform you into a super rich digital currency financial backer in the following couple of years. Its appealing past cost activity, its profoundly progressive innovation, the bullishness around the EOS token's future, and its exceptionally encouraging future, says that EOS has the capability of making its financial backers super rich. Today, EOS is one of the most utilized blockchain innovations. Throughout recent months, EOS is up by over 100%. At the pinnacle of its mid-2021 cost rally, the EOS coin hit a 3-year cost of $14.88 on 15 May. At this pinnacle, EOS had pushed its earliest financial backers' stake in the coin up by over 551%, in a real sense, transforming the vast majority of them into super-rich crypto financial backers. Today, the energy that charged the 2021 cost rally has disappeared and the crypto market has plunged. However, dealer sentiments about EOS' future worth are as yet bullish, and crypto specialists are sure that EOS costs will bounce back and begin rising in the future. Presently everyone's desired inquiry response to is, might EOS at any point recreate these previous cost exhibitions later on? What will it be worth in the following 5 or 10 years, and could I at any point create unmistakable gains off of an EOS venture today? Might I at any point make money investing in EOS? Indeed, crypto examiners and current EOS financial backers are sure that EOS token costs will bounce back and resume its upturn sooner rather than later. They are persuaded that EOS has all that a cryptographic money requires to launch and support an upswing that in the long run, set another record-breaking high, successfully making current financial backers staggeringly rich. As a matter of fact, most cost expectations had assessed that EOS would break over the 2018 all-time high during the last cost rally. What's more, it held back nothing above $23, however the upswing and at last the excursion toward setting another excessive cost was stopped by the Bitcoin crash and the ensuing business sector tumble. Right now, the symbolic costs have plunged and are exchanging at moderately low costs. Yet, rather than seeing this like a botched and open door, crypto specialists are persuaded that it has made an opportunity for additional drawn-out financial backers to purchase the plunge and put themselves positioned for enormous increases when the altcoin costs ultimately ride upwards. Throughout the previous 30 days, the EOS token costs have been going somewhere in the range of $2.60 and $3.53, as per CoinMarketCap. Also, as indicated by crypto specialists, this also presents transient merchants, particularly the informal investors, to acquire abundantly by utilizing the frequently unstable EOS cost developments. Will EOS eventually reach $100? Indeed, almost certainly, EOS will ultimately reach $100 later on account of its pertinence in the crypto business and its ease of use. Truth be told, as the EOS token costs energized before last year, most crypto examiners and crypto cost forecast sites were persuaded the altcoin costs would break out and reach $100 before the year's end. Indeed, even now, when the assembly has passed on and EOS is exchanging at somewhat low costs, they actually accept that EOS will ultimately reach $100. In any case, instead of the prior projections that had the coin arriving at this target cost in the following couple of months, they have pushed this timetable and presently accept that EOS will reach $100 in the following 5 to 10 years. Yet, is it possible for EOS to reach $100? Indeed, and here are current realities and, generally, the elements that most experts have considered in contending the instance of EOS arriving at this target cost. First off, EOS is more adaptable, quicker, and more reasonable than its nearest rival Ethereum, which is at present exchanging inside the $2,000 territory. Besides, there right now are just around 1.03 billion EOS tokens, which say that getting a symbolic valuation of $100 per coin would just give the blockchain a miserable and reachable $103 billion market capitalization. Critically, the altcoin's remarkable cost bounces from past cost rallies have proactively shown us that the coin has the stuff to reach $100. Look at. Is EOS expected to reach $100 or more in the next 5 years? What will EOS be worth in 5 years? The general inclination inside the crypto local area is that EOS token costs will bounce back and rise in the future in the following couple of years, and that it will be worth more in 2025 than it is today. There, nonetheless, are varying suppositions on how soon it will bounce back and how high EOS cost will reach in 2027, yet there is an agreement that it will be on an upswing when. Specialized examination of the EOS future by the Wallet Investor demonstrates that the coin will ascend from its current $2.77 value level and reach $7 around this time 1 year from now. Also, for the following 5 years, this examination anticipates that the token should practically twofold its cost and exchange around $16.123 at this point in 2027. Experts at RippleCoiners are similarly hopeful about the altcoin costs. They anticipate that EOS coin cost should switch and set out on a sluggish upswing, which takes it to around $5 in the following 5 years. The most hopeful perspective on EOS token's future costs is given by the cryptocurrency prediction site, whose specialized examination demonstrates that the altcoin could break above $80 in the following 9 years. The site demonstrates that going into 2030, the EOS token will exchange at $87.54. What will EOS be worth in 10 years? Actually, due to its gigantic and exceptionally eccentric cost activity, nobody can tell with most extreme exactness what EOS token cost will be in the following 10 years. Yet, while depending on its past cost activity and the commitment of its blockchain innovation, crypto specialists and financial backers have presumed that the EOS will be far additional significant in 10 years than it is today. In the wake of examining the vast majority of their assessments, we can reason that the coin will be undoubtedly be esteemed at somewhere in the range of $16.87. A portion of the variables that we accept will assist with impacting this vertical confronting cost development throughout the following 10 years are a further reception of the EOS blockchain innovation, relative quiet recuperation, and conceivable revitalizing of the crypto market, and conceivable organization moves up to the generally predominant EOS network innovation. Is EOS a good long-term investment? EOS is, beyond question, a suitable long-haul venture. What's more, crypto experts have given various justifications for why they accept EOS as a decent long-haul venture. Key among them is the way that EOS has a net positive ROI, it stays one of the most utilized blockchain innovations, and has a massively encouraging future. These, in addition to the way that the world is slowly moving towards blockchain acknowledgement, says that more business ventures will be hoping to set up dApps and shrewd agreement